Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to install the RKhunter interface in Plesk. First, log into your Plesk dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Extensions. In the Extensions catalog, type RKhunter Interface. This will bring up the extension in the search results. Click on the Get It Free button next to the RKhunter Interface extension. Plesk will begin the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured the RKhunter interface in Plesk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.